Welcome back, guys. I want to talk to you about something that you absolutely need to know. Yes, all of my information is good, but you can't find a deal? Yes, you can find a deal, and I'll tell you why. Anybody can find a deal. You just have to know where to look. I cover this in some of my other videos and in some of my other information, where to look, which is super important, what to look for, and who to talk with, and how to talk to your customers. All these things are covered in the videos, and of course they're covered in my classes. But I want to share this piece of information with you because this is a statistic, and this is a fact, and we like to deal in facts, we like to deal in statistics, we like to deal in things that are actually true. I don't try to tell anything that's not true, and if I do, it's because I made a mistake, and everybody makes them, not because I intentionally just tried to lead someone on. But here in the United States, we have approximately 14 million vacant homes. Now, you can't find a deal. There's 14 million vacant homes. The deals are out there. Okay, these are not people's second homes. These are not primary homes. These are not rentals. These are not this. These are vacants. That means nobody's living in the houses. A lot of them are properties that are just sitting there. I actually have one myself that's just sitting there because we're fixing to start a rehab on it. So, and it's in that number of 14 million. So what I'm telling you this, the reason that I'm telling you this is because I want you to understand and know for sure without any doubt there are deals out there. There are 14 million of them approximately sitting around this country. Now, yes, this is a big country and that's spread out all over, but the biggest areas, your bigger cities, have more of them. Okay? So these properties are sitting there. They're just waiting for somebody to contact that seller, that owner, and see if they want to sell the property. Your job as a real estate investor, of course, is to find them. That's what your job is, whether it be through advertising, whether it be through, cold calling, inbound, outbound, whichever way you go with it. It's your job to find them. But be encouraged. There are lots of homes out there right now that are available that you can pick up. Many of these need home. A lot of these, need maintenance. A lot of these homes have deferred maintenance, and that's why they're sitting there, because they're not market ready. So that is even better for you as an investor, because that gives you the chance to have a value-added home that you can potentially maybe wholesale, fix and flip, buy and hold, whichever it is. It gives you the opportunity to add value to that property, therefore making money, because that's what we do as real estate investors. We add value, and when we add value, we make money. So be encouraged. As I said, there are 14 million homes sitting there, and I'm stressing that number because I really want you to understand that opportunity is sitting there. Those houses are there. If you're digging right now and you're mining and you're not getting any results, change the area you're mining in. Try to retarget your customers. They're out there. You just have to find them. If you have to drive for dollars a little bit. You'll see. Look in those older neighborhoods. Don't go driving through the newer neighborhoods trying to find properties. Talk to people that have had their property for 25 years or more. I promise you, on most 25-year-old homes or more, there's deferred maintenance, as well as they need a complete update, new kitchens, new baths. These are all value-added things that you can do to make money for your company, money for you to buy these houses that need this. So be encouraged. There's plenty of houses out there. Stick to your guns, stick to your numbers, be conservative with your numbers right now, and go get some deals. Go get some deals. I'll see you guys.